Deliming the cavity of an ABC and ABC-P combi oven. In this video, we will cover deliming your Vulcan ABC or ABC-P combi oven. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Vulcan recommends deliming the oven cavity proactively based on your water quality, or when you see scale buildup in your oven cavity. Delime the cavity after cleaning is completed by spraying the inside of the oven with white vinegar or an approved deliming agent. Important: do not use hydrochloric or nitric acid-based delimers or any cleaner with chlorine, chloride, bleach, or sanitizer. These types of solutions or unfiltered water can lead to early degradation of the components and possibly void your combi warranty. After application, let the product sit for 10 minutes with no heat. Proceed to rinse the oven cavity multiple times, making sure to let the cavity drain between rinses. After daily required oven cavity rinsing, always make sure to leave the cavity door open overnight. If you start to see discoloration, corrosion, or have questions, please contact your local Vulcan representative to ensure your water quality or cleaning procedure is adequate. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan combi oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.